Before we solve the question, I hope that you have already watched all the concept videos on time and work plus the model questions on time and work. In case if you haven't watched it, I've given the links of all the concepts and the model questions in the description. So do watch all those videos and get a clear picture of how we are going to utilize those tricks and traits in these questions. In a poultry farm, 50 hens give 200 eggs in 2 days. In how many days will 20 hens give 400 eggs? So from the question it is very clear that we can make use of the chain rule, right? So what is the chain rule? M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equivalent to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Now it's all about substitution. We can replace M1 and M2 by the number of hens, and D1 and D2 are the number of days, and W1 and W2 are the number of eggs laid. And since there is no information about the hours, we can ignore those two parts. Now let's substitute. So 50 hens take 2 days of time to lay 200 eggs, and that is equivalent to 20 hens will take how many days, which means we are trying to find out the number of days. So let's keep that as D. And how many days will they take to lay 400 eggs? So W2 is replaced by 400. Now it's all about eliminating. So 1 200s are 200, 2 200s are 400, 1 2s are 2, 10 2s are 20, and we can cut off this 0 and this 0. 5 2s are 10. So it will be taking 10 days of time for 20 hens to lay 400 eggs. So option A is the answer.